quickly show you how you can do your hair tie today without stressing at all, at the comfort of your home and without anyone assisting you. Welcome to my channel, and here we do simple head wrap for beginners and mommies, like mommies in the building. So let's get into it and put a stop to running to stylist here and there every one birthday or every Sunday or any day you want to tie your head wrap. We're going to put an end to it today. So join me, let's do this together. This is what you love to learn. Stay around and watch till the end. The result is going to shock you and wow you. Trust. Starting by placing the material on my head after division of 50-50. Let me show you the division I mean by 50-50 before I proceed. So you're going to close up your material like this, and it's giving you equal division. That is what we call 50-50. Do you get, guys? So after dividing it like this, I'm going to place it on my head. So let me place it on my head like this for you guys to see. So this is it. Like I will always say, you don't have a business as a beginner with creating lots of pleats. So 3-4 pleats is fine. So I'm going to be making 3 pleats for today's tutorial, and this is the first one already done. So I'm just gonna go like this. I'm going to go for the third one like this. You let them follow each other, and you make sure that you stop arranging them at the level of your head. Like let it reach this level before you remove your hand. So I'm going to go to the other side, repeat the same process. And for the middle part, I'm going to make sure they follow each other, and I think I'm good like this. The material to the back, so anyone can go up, anyone can come down, because we have equal division. So I'll just cross it like this. Pick any of the parts up like this. I'm going to pick any of the parts up. So before I pick it up, I'm going to make pleats all through. I'm going to make pleats. Just grab it, okay, all through. Grab it all through and come and place it here. Come and place it immediately after the last pleat here. Right? Just focus and see what I'm doing. I'll just spin it down. There is my pin, and I'll pin it down. So I feel it's safe right here now. So this is safe, right? But I'm going to stretch it out as well, and I'm going to make pleats with it too. Pleats with it too, and come like this. Okay, and come like this. If the length of your material can go to the back, take it to the back and go secure. But since mine is stopping here, there is a way. You see how simple it seems, right? Or it is. Okay, let me use it is. So I'm not gonna finish it up. I'm gonna raise a bit up like this, remaining part, and use my rubber band to grab it. Band. So I'm going to raise this part up, grab it with the band. Okay, and I think it's fine like this. So that place, I'm going to grab a pin and secure it down, that particular place. So I've pinned this place up like that, and this that we have is just going to be stretched out. Just stretch it out like this. Stretch it out. Bring this to this and pin. I'm going to pin here. So this here, pin it. Then pinning down, we're going to adjust all adjustables and shift back to show your hairline. Right? Show your hairline. Adjust. And the back, you can decide to put your hair down. You just, cover it up. Cover it with at the front like this. I can add a brush to beautify right here. Right? Like this. All well adjusted, and this is what we have. On. So guys, this is where I'll be stopping for today, and I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things in this tutorial. If you have, let me thank you in the comments, and I'll see you on my very next video. It's going to be an amazing one again, and trust me, you will love it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment too.